Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about Dugdhavarga. Introduction. Pravaram Jeevaniyanam Akshira Muktam. Reference from Charaka Sutrasthana 25th chapter. After the Jala, Dugdha is the most commonly used liquid and it is also essential part of nutrition. During the Balavastha, everyone requires Dugdha as a main diet. So, this stage is quoted as Kshiradavastha in Ayurveda. Pravaram Jeevaniyanam Akshiram Muktam. Synonyms of Kshira: Dugdha, Kshira, Paya, Stanyam, Balajeevanam, Ityapi. General properties: Dugdham Samaduram Snigdham Vatapittaharam Saram. Sadhya Shukrakaram Sheetam Satyam Sarvasharenam. Jeevanam Brahmanam Balyam Meda Vajikaranam Param. Vayastapanam Ayusham Sandhikari Rasayanam. According to Bhava Prakasha, the properties are Madhurarasa, Madhuravipaka, Snigdha Guruguna, and it is the Shitavirya. Due to the Madhurarasa and the Shita Guna, it is decreases the Vata and the Pitta. The indication, it indicated in the Amla Pitta, Shosha, the emaciation, Shukradosha, Parinama Shula, Rakta Pitta, Vibandha, Shukradorbalya, Udara Roga, Vata Pitta Vyadi.